All right, guys, 234 in La Casa is going to show you how to make hot and spicy corn dip. If you love hot and spicy, you're going to love this recipe. It's vegetarian friendly and it's perfect for any upcoming holiday parties, office parties, game day, tailgating. I'll show y'all how to make this excellent dip. It is fabulous. We're going to start off with a saucepan, and we're going to need, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter. You're going to melt your butter, or your 2 tablespoons of butter, over medium-high heat. And to that, we're going to add some diced jalapeno, seeds and all. And this is going to be about 1/3 cup of diced jalapeno. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of coarse kosher salt, and that's going to help us to soften that diced jalapeno. I'm gonna allow this to saute for about 3 minutes. All right, and next we're gonna add a 4-ounce can of diced green chili. I'm gonna use hot, you can use mild. You're gonna wanna reduce your heat down to medium-low heat, and we're gonna add 8 ounces, or an 8-ounce block of full-fat cream cheese. And make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature. That way it's easier to melt and combine. All right, and I've been stirring this for about 10 seconds, and look how the cream cheese has already started melting. And see how easy it is to just combine in. Okay, so just make sure that like I said, that your cream cheese is at room temperature. Makes the process a lot more seamless. Next, we're going to add an 11-ounce can of white Shoepeg corn, and you're going to want to drain your corn before adding it to your cream cheese and jalapeno mixture. You're just going to mix and combine, and you can now turn your heat back up to about a little above medium. You're going to want to use about 15 to 16 ounces of whole kernel yellow corn. Be sure to drain your corn before adding. Next, we're going to add a 10-ounce can of Rotel. You can use original, hot, mild, just whatever you prefer to add. You're going to want to make sure to add tomatoes, the juice, and all. Now that you've got your Rotel added, we're going to stir to combine. Next, we're going to add a little bit of sugar and some white ground pepper and some pink Himalayan sea salt. And you're going to continue stirring. And you're going to allow this to cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat. And after 5 to 10 minutes, there you go. It's your perfect hot and spicy corn dip. And you're going to want to serve that corn dip hot. You can serve it with tortilla chips. You can serve it with scoops or any other one of your favorite chips. It's an excellent, excellent dip for parties, family gatherings, tailgating, game day. It's a great holiday dip.